first one is a Bhastrika Pranayama. So keep your hands relaxed on your knees, keep your back straight, and then keep your mouth closed. Inhale and exhale actively. Simple practice. You have to repeat 3 rounds, 20 counts. Second practice is the Nadi Shodhan. Inhale with right, exhale with left nostril. This is the 1 round. A simple practice. You can repeat around 9 to 12 rounds. Third practice is the Brahmari Pranayama. Simply close your air caps with your first finger. Then inhale deeply, and with exhalation make a humming bee sound, makara ucharan, like repeat the 9 to 12 rounds again. These 3 practices are very helpful to release